Today we're featuring a 2017 Honda Accord. It's an EX. It's a certified Honda. It's got 9,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. It's champagne silver metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got your lock unlock button on the chrome handles. It is equipped with the sunroof. Alright, it does have the alloys. Alright, driver's side of the vehicle look good. Rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in good shape. Still, it's got the unlock button here. Also has your blind spot monitoring camera, and I'll show you that in a second. Exterior of this certified Accord. It's in great shape, no problems whatsoever. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the beige and black door panels. Nice wood grain trim here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Alright, it's got your econ button there, your blind spot monitoring button there. Alright, it does have the power driver seat with beige cloth. Cloth looks good. Alright, there's another shot of the sunroof for you. Alright, it does have keyless entry with remote start. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape. No problems there. It is an automatic. It's got your dual climate controls. Push button start. And your screen display for the backup camera and blind spot monitoring system will be there. And I'll show you that in just a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 9,762 miles on it. All right, let me go ahead and dim this down just a bit. Go ahead and show you these display screens. First screen up here is going to have your AM, FM, CD player display. Okay, and we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, it's got your backup cameras there as well there. Okay, and then down here on this one, you can actually change the view of the backup camera. All right, we'll go ahead and put it back in park. All right, and then also your blind spot monitoring button, which can be activated by that button I showed you to the left of the steering wheel. Simply press the button and it will show you a display screen of your blind spot. Okay, hit the button again to make it go off, but then you can also activate it by making a lane change using your turn signal. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. There's a shot of your home page there. Okay, and then of course your dual climate controls with your push button start. Alright, AC's blowing cold, not a problem there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. We'll also take a look at your trunk space. Door panels look good. Carpet back here is in good shape. And your beige cloth back seat is also in really good shape. It does have the convenient center console that comes down. The cup holders there. Let's go ahead and give you your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, but this certified Accord is in great shape inside and out. Alright, it's got 9,000 miles on it, so really low miles. It's got the nice hard plastic protective cover back here. Okay, but a ton of room in this Accord. Everything's well taken care of, inside and out. Let's take a look at your alloy wheels here. 17-inch alloy wheels. Brand new set of tires on here, and a ton of tread. Alright, just to recap, it's a 2017 certified Honda Accord EX. Only 9,000 miles on it. Alright, it's a Carfax one owner. It's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.